Hello everyone, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to sell style in Microsoft Excel. So let's start. At first, open your Excel document. Firstly, then we show the Excel sheet, the text. Then cell sheet, cell style is the going to the firstly select your all text option. Now going to the home menu option. Now click for the cell style option. Then choose cell style. Again cell style. Then choose cell style. That's okay. Then I show the cell style in Microsoft Excel. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.